Welcome again to my final assignment in PHMXUR. My name is Tranbong Sahaska. My ID is 491013120. I'm studying at D4 TMD IGB Batch 8. And my topic of my final assignment is to making electronic advertisement website that focus in the PlayStation 4 that include PlayStation 4 game and accessory. Okay, then let me go to my website. Is my website advertisement. In my website, I have to separate the two main website. It have front website and the back website. It is called the front website, and the back website for the admin and user for manage the production. Okay, in the front website we have to separate 5 blocks. We have header block. The first is header block, and the second is the footer block in here, and we have the content left block, we have content middle block, and the content right block. Okay, first of all, I want to explain you first about the footer block that includes the programmer name and about home page and about us page. Okay, because we stand on the home page already, I will explain you first about the home page. In the home page, we have middle content video that we had include the advertisement list. In here we will list on all the product in the website. In the advertisement list that we show you about the image of the product, the title of the product, the body of the product, and about who make the product, and the price of the product as well. Okay, and then in the content left we had conclude about the category that include 5 types of the products that we have: PlayStation 4 package, console, controller, CD game, and accessory for PlayStation 4. Okay, I will show you first about the PlayStation 4 package. There is a package of the PlayStation 4 that include in that was to input in the advertisement list. It is the image and the title and the body of the products and the price of the product. Okay, if you want to see the details of the product, you can click on the image or the title. Okay, I will click on the image. We will link to the body details of the product in here and about the price as well. If you want to buy the product, how can you buy it? You want to go to the content right that we have advertised, that we include to the phone of the developer, that you can a developer or the company in here that you can contact to buy this product. If you want to buy only the console, you can go to the console. Yeah, the list on here. If you want to buy only the controller, you can go to the controller. If you want to buy the CD game, you can go to the CD game. If you want to buy only accessory of the PlayStation 4, you can go to accessory to buy something of accessory of the PlayStation 4, like the camera consideration value for the virtual reality glasses or headset, camera stand, or other. Okay, it is for the category. And then for the second point in content left is for the last step product. Last step product, we have to the big list of the information of the product in here that we also to put up to put on the depth of the product is put in here, and about the size of the product as well. Okay, I will go to the product. The working that is about it is the last test CD game of in the website that we have to include the price as well. Okay, and then I will explain you in the footer blog again, but it's to about us page. About us page, we will tell you about the logo of the company website, about the purpose of the website, about how the website can make, and about the pro developer biography, the background, about the phone number and the Gmail of the developers as well. Okay, then I will tell you about the header block. Header block is the form for login member or member login. If you are a member, you can log in directly. If you are not a member, you will to register now. Okay, if I'm not a member, I will to register now, and then I will fill the name of the user, like in here Kaka, password, and then first name, shop, car, and gender is female, phone number is yes like this, and about the Gmail is suka@gmail.com, and then I'm registered. It told me that my new register is success, that your account was successfully created. If you want to log in, you can click on here to log in, or you can log in directly in here. Okay, I click on here to log in, and then I log in the new user that I just created at the moment. Yeah, password, and then log in. Yeah, a new user that I just logged in at the moment. We will show in the website of the member in here. And then they told me that welcome to my website. In the website you can advertise your production or post upload your product photo. Okay, you can see the information that you just include at the moment by click on the name of the member, or by the blank image of the member. Okay, I click on the name of the member. You see information that I just include at the moment, like username, like gender, and phone I just include at the moment. Okay, and additionally, if you want to update the profile or change the password, you can also to check in here. Okay, we go to the update profile. In here, in this case, I want to change my phone number like this, and I will change the profile pictures as well. Yeah, the profile picture, and then I update. Wait for a while for processing. You see that about the new phone number that I just change, and about the profile that I just include, you will load in for the member. If you want to change the password, you also to change the password for the security your password. You can click on the password and write your current password, and then you write a new password, and then change. Click on change button. If your password was successfully, we will look at the message to you that your password update was successfully, and then you click OK. If you want to know that your password is correct, you go to the website again and click and log to your account again with your new password and log. We saw that your new password also right, so you can log to here. Okay, it is all for the front website, and then I will show you about the back website. It is the interface for the back website that we use for the admin and user to manage the data products. Okay, I will to log first for the admin, and then I click login. Is the form for the admin, and we just told you about the admin name, and you can look out if you want. In here we have to separate for about the 5 main menu that we have: home, user, member, products and service, and also the product and service we also have a sub menu. We have article type, testimony, and the advertisement. We have advertise and advertise location. Okay, the first I will explain to you about user, because we stand on the home already, no need to explain. So I explain to you about the user. User, we have to input the data of the user and the admin. But in here, I will to. In here you can add a new user, you can edit the name of user or delete user. Okay, I will to create a new user. In here, the name is Bura as a user, and then password Bura. position is user, and the phone number is 012 like this. Is a new number, and the email is ora@gmail.com, and then I'm save for a new user. You can see that data that is sender is mail, the phone number I just created moment, and his Gmail that I just put in today, because today, yeah, we will show you about app. Anything is I want to edit for user, I can also to edit. I click on here. If I want to change for his phone number to other phone number to this phone number, and then I save. We will updating about the data of Bora. Okay, user that the number phone of Bora will change. Okay, if I don't want to need Bora to my user, I can delete it to my table. I click OK, and the Bora will be to delete automatically. And as well in member, in the same step, I want to delete of the member in here that I no need to input to the table. I will to delete it as well. Okay, it's for the user. The way of user and member is the same. Anything, let's go to the product. I will explain to you about the article first. In article, we will show you about the name of the article product in here. And I can also to add and edit or delete for the article product. I will to add a new article in here. Let's write that new product. Okay, and the price is 120, and the pictures I put in blank, and I will choose the place for pocket or yes, and I just for the second hand. Okay, and I write for the description for selling, and then I'm save. You can see that a new products that I just include at the moment we will load to in the table, and we saw effort to the front website as well. Okay, I log out, and you see that in my website we have a new product that I just include at the moment, and the price as well, but the image is not so because I'm not input the image. Okay, if anything is I want to edit for this product picture, I want to edit to add an image. I just input this picture, and then I updating cell, and then I refresh my website. You can see that my products we will include the picture that I just include at the moment, and then if I want to delete for the new product in here, I can click on it and click on delete and OK. Just look. You can see that the product that I just included at the moment was deleted, and if I refresh, the product will be deleted in my website. You see it? It will delete. Okay, it's just for the article, and then I will to tell you about the article type. In article type, if I want to change the type of article, it's about in here. I want to edit for the type of the article for just only original, and then I'm save. You can see the product type here to change to original. I will also affect to my website. You just know that it is original new. If I'm refresh, we will change to original. You see that about the type of original new, we will change to the original. Okay. Let me go to in product way again, but to taxonomy. Taxonomy is we will tell you about the names of the product category, Okay, in here I will change the name of the console to other name. I change the console u sorry version, and then I save. You can see that the product name of the category, the console will change to console new version, and then I'm refresh, we will affect to the console name. Yeah, to console new version. Yeah, it is for the for the product and service. And then I will tell you about the advertise. In advertise, I will show you about advertise first. In here you saw that in advertise we have access of data in here. Like in this, in here we have only same. We have access of this image. Okay. Okay, I will change the first one of my website in here. I click on and I edit to change the image. I will change the first. I will change the image of the website. Okay, I browse and I go to my data. Okay, I will change this one, and then I'm save. Okay, and then I go to my website and refresh it. You can see that the image of every time will change because I will to change in my data. So we effect to of my website. You just noted that all of the web from website we manage to all of data in the front website. It means if you change anything in here, we have effect all of to your front website. It's just for the admins, and then I will log out and to explain you then about the user login. Okay, this is for user. Okay, and click login. If for user, the user's name is Sasaka, and you just remember that the the one different from admin and user, that the user we cannot control the user, but we can control the member, control product service and advertise. Example, I want to delete for the user. Delete for this member. I will delete it. Okay, I mean that for user we can delete and update anything like the admin, but we cannot to control the user and user and the admin like the admin. So it is no different from user and admin. It's all for my explanation in my final assignment, electronic advertisement website. Yeah, thank you for paying attention to my explanation.